Hi everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you how we can create a histogram as you see here. You can change its color. Also you can change its design. Let's do it. For example, I have students and marks. I want to create a histogram for mark distribution. Just select marks, only marks. Okay. Then from insert, here charts I have histogram, this one. Also you can get histogram option from more option, histogram. Okay. Then okay. Now I have histogram option. If you want to change its location, just select it and drag it. For example, I want to change its size. You see how it changes. Also, you can add title, mark distribution. Okay, you can change its size, bold, make it 18, and you can change its color. Good. For example, I want to add label. Just select it, right click, add data. You see, select it and change its size from home. For example, I want to change size of this label. Good. Also, you can add chart title from here. Access title. Sorry. For this one, select it. Number of students. Okay. This one, mark range. Good. Now I want to change the span of the range. How we can do? Just select here, right click, format access. Here we have bin width. It's 16, for example, I change it to 10. You see how it changes, or I change it to 5. Good. Now I think it's good. Then just click inside. Then here we have chart design. Here we have colors. You can change colors. Okay. Also here we have change. We have ability to change design. I think that's all. Have a nice day.